Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shirazi, a board certified dermatologist. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've been getting so many questions about double cleansing. What does that even mean? Is it necessary? Who should be doing it? Who should stay away from double cleansing? What is the point anyway? So I wanted to dedicate this video on all the details about double cleansing because I've just been seeing it all over online. But before we get started, don't forget to rate, review, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who also loves skincare tips and tricks. Starting with, what is double cleansing? Is it just washing your face on repeat, like washing it twice? Well, yes, you're using two different cleansers that really serve two different purposes. The first cleanse is really using a oil-based or micellar water to dissolve and get rid of makeup, sunscreen, because those are lipophilic and they dissolve the best when you are using an oil-based balm or micellar water. The second cleanse, you're just using a gentle cleanser or clarifying cleanser that gets any residue or pollutants left over that you can't really see with the naked eye, but you need to get as much of that stuff off your skin as possible, which brings me to, why do you need to double cleanse? Because clean skin is healthier skin. A lot of times we may not realize that all that oil and dirt and debris and makeup gets built up in our pores and causes our pores to stretch out. And if you're putting it on over and over and over again, it can contribute to large pores. For more on how to minimize your pores, watch my other video. But really want to get your skin as clean as possible because it also helps other skincare products penetrate better. It makes your moisturizer work better. So clean skin is really essential. And I get the question, when should you double cleanse? You really don't need to double cleanse in the morning. In fact, sometimes you can just skip cleansing in the morning. That helps if you have sensitive skin. You don't want to constantly be stripping the skin off. So if you do have sensitive skin, you're not wearing a lot of makeup or sunscreen, then you might just opt for a single cleanse with a creamy, sort of silky texture cleanser. Like I love Purify. The days that I'm not wearing a lot of makeup or I'm not, feel like I'm not getting a lot of stuff on my skin, then I'll just do a single cleanse with Clarify. Now what I do, here's a little tip, I'll put the cleanser on dry skin and then work off all the makeup in this SPF creams and then rinse it off. So if you have sensitive skin, you might just go for a single cleanse. I do that sometimes, just depends on how much I'm putting on my face. And these days, because I'm seeing a lot of patients, sometimes I wear a mask a lot in the office, I feel like I really need to make sure my skin is as clean as possible. Regardless of double or single cleansing, it's so important to apply your moisturizer onto damp skin right after double cleansing because you really want to reinstate your skin barrier, hydrate the skin, and that is really, really key. Now, a lot of people say, well, what about applying your actives? What I suggest is cleanse and moisturize as soon as you get home. Take the day off and then wait some amount of time and go into using your active products, whether it's a retinol or a glycolic acid or a toner, whatever it might be. You might want to do that after your skin is cleansed and hydrated. It will be able to receive those products better. Within 30 minutes to an hour, your moisturizer is absorbed. So you don't need to wash your face again before applying your retinol or your actives. Check out my video on Retinol 101. I go into detail about this, breaking up your night routine into two phases. This is especially helpful if you tend to get irritation, peeling, redness from strong actives like retinols or exfoliants. Okay, so I have a video on how I double cleanse. So let's check it out. So always put your hair back. You don't want your hair in your face. So I start off with an oil-based, a heavier makeup remover balm. I love Clearly Clean by Farmacy. It doesn't have any fragrance. and it's thick enough where it just gets that mascara and your eyeliner and all of that off. And then I also use micellar water on the face because I like something lighter on my face. Now you can just use one or the other for both your eyes and your face. You don't have to switch it up, but I prefer these products as my first cleanse. Then I will follow it up with a gentle cleanser like Purify cleanser. I will apply that as my second cleanser, and you can see I rinse it off. You never want to rub the skin dry. You always want to pat it dry. One, friction and rubbing is not great for the skin. It causes skin conditions like acne, rosacea to flare up. Plus, you want to leave the skin a little damp, so when you apply that moisturizer, it really seals in the hydration. And that's it. It's really simple. So guys, keep your skin clean, but know that it's not for everyone. If you're really basic with your makeup and you're not getting really dirty, double cleansing is not a must. It's not absolutely necessary. You can get by with a really good single cleanse. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.